Hostel Amsterdam during the booking process. This gives you access not only to discounts on your room, whether you choose one of our cozy dorms, private rooms, or group accommodations, but also to exclusive deals at Slainte Irish Pub, just around the corner. With this code, you can enjoy discounts on drinks like a perfectly poured pint of Guinness, as well as pub favourites such as shepherd's pie. And these benefits apply even during happy hours, special events, or when big games are on the screen. It's a great way to soak up Amsterdam's vibrant social life without stretching your budget. What's more, while you're here, take advantage of our hostel's amenities: free Wi-Fi, warm showers, 24-hour check-in, and a lively common area where you can meet fellow travelers before heading out. To make the most of the hostel and the pub, just remember to book with the code HostelAmsterdam directly through our website. For all the details and the most current offers, follow the link we've provided in the description below.